So when it was low battery, all the hands were going the opposite way and then dancing round, and it was buzzing on my wrist to show that it was low battery.
Using the app on your phone, you can just double check that the battery is low. You click on the watch icon and there it is, look, it shows you the battery voltage. Here we go then, nice and simple. Using a 20 pence piece, I found this was the best coin for the job. You put it in the back of the watch and you just turn it 1/8 of a turn, just so that the line points towards the bottom button. Then you can remove the back and there's the battery. It's as simple as that. The battery there, the only thing that it rests on is the 2 little spring probes at the top. So we just got to make sure that when we put the new battery back in again, you locate it to the spring clips first and then you drop it in. So it's a CR2025. Now the easiest way to do this is to check the upward face of the watch and then turn it over. Try the back in first before you put the battery in, just to get yourself lined up. So you can see the line of that is pointing towards the bottom button. There you are, look. So we know we're all in line. We can just pop the back out, ready to go. Let's slide that new battery in. Like I say, with the little tabs at the bottom, we're going to point that battery in and slide it in nice and gently. There we go, into the, he drops into the tabs first. It's a little bit fiddly. We'll get the back, and holding it all in place, just slide the back in, line it up, and then twist it into place. Pop the 20 pence piece in the back there, and then turn it that last 1/8 of a turn clockwise to lock the back in. And there we go. Good as new. Cracking job that. Just check it there, make sure everything looks good. Now we just need to go to the app on the phone and synchronise it. It can use a battery once every 4 to 6 months. So on the app, we just touch the little watch icon on the top right hand corner and it takes us into the watch screen there. Now we just touch on the replace battery icon and the watch hands, if you saw them, they spun round and everything is set now. The timing is brilliant. It's all back to where it should be. So on the watch, now the battery sign is fully green. So I'll just give you another little close-up of the tab at the top there. That's where the battery needs to locate, and just push against that little spring at the top there. Beautiful. I hope this video has been of use to you. If it has, drop me a comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.